Congratulations, the day has finally arrived that you're getting your braces removed. I'm sure you're excited about it. But before you get them removed, there are certain important points you should remember. Point number one, you are absolutely happy with the treatment. The reason being, once the dentist removes all the brackets, then if you want some more corrections, you would have to get them refixed. And to refix them, it would cost you time, energy, effort, and money. So before you get them removed, be sure that you're happy about the results. Next comes the process of removal of the braces. It's usually a painless procedure in which the dentist uses a special instrument to apply pressure onto the bracket. The brackets then pop out of the tooth surfaces. When they come out, they take the wire along with it outwards. After which, if any bands were put around your molar teeth, they are then slipped out and removed. Once the brackets and the bands are removed, an instrument is used to polish your tooth surfaces. This polishing is done to remove any tooth colored material which was used to stick the bracket onto the tooth surface. After your brackets are removed, then a thorough cleaning of your teeth is done. This is because when there are braces onto your teeth, there are chances of plaque and food getting accumulated around them. After cleaning your teeth, the dentist would take photographs to see whether the required changes have been achieved. He might also advise you to get certain x-rays. It is suggested to get a round of fluoride application done. This is because fluoride helps protect the teeth from any damage which would have been caused during the braces period. Now, if you want to know more about the fluoride application and its process, you can ask our dentist. After which, impressions are taken of your teeth to make specific retainers for you. Now, what are retainers? When your teeth are moved from one position to other, it takes around 7 to 8 months for them to stabilize. If they are not stabilized, they can move back to their original position and can start drifting. So to maintain them and stabilize them in the given position, retainers are important. Now, these retainers are of two types. One is fixed retainers and the other is removable. Now, in removable, there are two types of retainers. One is the Hollies and the other is plastic transparent trays. The dentist would advise which set depending upon your situation. You should follow the instructions given by the dentist when it comes to wearing the retainers. The average duration a dentist would ask you to wear the retainers is somewhere between 8 to 12 months. Now, how do you take care of these retainers? The first thing to remember is if they are removable retainers, you're supposed to remove them when you're eating or drinking food. The reason is there might be scratches or damage which might occur to the retainer. If that happens, you will have to get a new retainer made, which will take time, effort, and money. After eating, before you rewear your retainer, see that you clean and brush your teeth so that no debris or food particles gets attached to the retainer surfaces. Now, how do you clean your retainers? While cleaning your retainers, you should use running or flowing water. Do not use a hard toothbrush, which can again cause scratch or a damage to the retainer. You can use a soft brush. Do not use toothpaste because they have abrasives in them. You can use hand washes which are not scented so that it does not cause any discoloration of the retainer surface. Now, whenever you remove your retainer, see that you place them in the box provided to you because if they get lost, you would have to get a new set of retainers made. The next point is how do you maintain your oral health after braces, for which you have to follow your twice a day brushing schedule, flossing every day, visiting us once in 6 months to check whether all your teeth are in the given position and there are no new problems which are being detected. So your 6 monthly checkup is essential, along with which you have to get your regular cleaning done. If you follow these instructions, you will be able to maintain your teeth in a healthy state for a long duration. And I hope you've seen our video about the 4 common mistakes people do while brushing their teeth. Watch that video and try and avoid those mistakes. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is SK Smile Dental. Our aim here is to help you smile.